Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about Google Meet. It is an online video conferencing application. By using this application we can interact with our student face to face. We can conduct our online classes by using our personal Google account or by using G Suite account, which is provided by the educational institution to its member. We can add up to 100 students in a class if you are using Gmail account or Google account, and if you are using G Suite account, then we can add 250 participants in Google Meet class, and also we can access its other premium features too. So obviously G Suite account will give you more benefits. Now let's discuss some features of Google Meet if you are using your Google account. Then first of all, it is secure platform. Your details will not be leaked, and you can have instant meeting feature, real-time chat, face-to-face interaction, and screen sharing facility is also available in this platform. So now I will discuss step-by-step procedure to how to conduct online classes by using Google Meet. So let's start. Open the web browser on your desktop and type Google Meet and click OK. Then you can see Google Meet is here. You can click on it. You have to sign in to explore its features. So click on sign in. I'm signing here with my Google account. So now it is the home page of Google Meet. So now here you can see a tab which is showing new meeting, or enter a code or link here to join the class. If you're a teacher, now you can click here. You can have three options: get a meeting link to share, start an instant meeting, or schedule in Google Calendar. If you want to have an instant meeting, you can click here. And if you want to schedule your class in upcoming days, then you can schedule it by clicking here. So I'm clicking here for an instant meeting. Now I'm putting my microphone off and my video off. Now here you can click on join now to join the class. Now a pop-up window will appear. You can copy the link and share to your students or participants of the meeting so that they can attend this meeting or class, or you can add people from here. Click here, add here email ID of the student or the participant and click OK. It will be shared to the participants. So first of all, I would like to discuss its settings. Go to three dot, click on this three dot. This will appear. Click on change layout. There are three layouts options are available. In the sidebar, you can see the participants screen on the right side of the desktop, or in the tile frame you can have all the participants on your desktop in small tile. And you can also use spotlight. And another second option is full screen. If you click on it, your computer will be on full screen. If you want to exit, you have to click on ESC button. You can find ESC button on your keyboard left upper corner. Click on it and it will again come to the default mode. Now you can have turn on caption. We will discuss it later. Now click on settings. Here are audio settings. I have already turned off my microphone. You can have video settings here. Your camera is, I have turned off my camera. You can turn it off or turn on. You can set your sound resolution. If your internet connection is not good, so you can select standard definition, and if you are using a good internet connection, then you can select high definition 720p. Same for receiving resolution. If you want to select audio only, then you can select audio only. Otherwise, you can select the quality of video which you are receiving. And done. Now let us discuss its other features. In meeting detail, you can find the joining information. You can copy and share. We have already done it. You can see here in attachment, Google Calendar attachment show up here. Your future classes will be shown up. Now come to this. This is for mute or unmute your voice. You can access it by Control D on your keyboard. You can click on Control D, it will be unmute, and Control D again, it will be mute. You can click on this to leave this class. This is for video option. You can access this by using Control E. If you click on Control E, it will be enabled. Your webcam will be open, and if again you can put it off by clicking here or using Control E key. Now come to this turn on caption. It is very important feature of Google Meet. By clicking on it, it will be enabled, and what it will do is it will convert your voice to text. So if you are facing some noise disturbance in your class, then you can turn it on so that student can read the text whatever you are saying. So let's do it. But first of all, we should turn our mic on. Click it and then turn on caption. Now you can see whatever I am speaking is converted to text. You can see. So it will be visible to the all students facing some noise issue. So it is very beneficial in that condition, and also in case of low internet connection, it will be beneficial. So I am turning it off. Now next is present now. You can click here and you have two options. One is entire screen or one is window. So let me show you the entire screen. If you click on it, you can select and click on share. So whatever you will do on your screen, I have opened this PDF file. So you can discuss any PDF file and it will be visible to your participant, and you can discuss any topic available in this PDF, or you can go to PPT and discuss with the students. It will be visible to all the students. If you want to stop it, you have to click on stop sharing and it will be stopped, and then come back to our class. So from this button, if you want to share your window, then click here. These are the window which are open in my PC. So you can select anyone from here and click on share, then it will be visible to your students. So I'm not going for that. There are many things that a teacher can control. Let's see how. Click here and you can see left panel is people and right panel is chat. In chat panel, whatever you will type, it will be visible to all the students of the class. And here you can add people. I'm adding my another email ID and click here to send him invite to join. I have joined this class from my another email ID. Now click here. This option is to pin to screen. If you want to see your student to be on screen, so you can click on it and your student screen will be here. And if you want to mute, you can click here to mute any student. And if you want to remove any student from class, you have to click here, and after clicking on remove, he will be removed from this class. In this video, we have discussed what is Google Meet and how we can conduct online classes by using this platform. Thank you very much for watching my video.